In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a PIN access code for point of sale, or POS, in Shopify. Let's get started by walking through this process step by step, ensuring we cover all the essential details so you can manage PINs with confidence. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your central command center where you can manage different aspects of your store. Once you're on this page, take a look at the bottom left corner. Here, you'll find the Settings option. It's crucial to begin here because this is where you can access the necessary tools to manage your users and their permissions effectively. Next, once you're in Settings, direct your attention to the left panel where you'll see different categories. The one we need is Users. Clicking on Users will display a list of all the people who have access to your Shopify store. This list is essential as it allows you to manage who can access your point-of-sale application efficiently. Now, scroll through the list and click on the user for whom you'd like to set or change a PIN. This user-specific menu is where you'll make adjustments to the user's access settings, a key part of ensuring that your store's security is maintained. Here, you'll have the option to set a custom PIN or let Shopify do the work for you by generating a random PIN. This flexibility is valuable depending on whether you wish to use a memorable PIN or prefer the added security of a random one. If you're aiming for increased randomness and security, go ahead and click on Generate Random PIN. Otherwise, feel free to type in a PIN of your choosing. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully set a PIN for your user, which they can now use to access the point-of-sale app. By managing your users' access through PIN codes, you not only enhance security, but also streamline the checkout process in your physical store. Remember, managing permissions and maintaining a secure environment for your transactions is a vital part of running a successful retail business. That wraps up our guide for today. With these straightforward steps, you've mastered the process of generating a PIN access code for Shopify's point-of-sale system. If you have any questions or would like further information on this topic or others, feel free to reach out or drop a comment below. Thank you for joining me today, and best of luck as you continue to optimize your store operations.